Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove save Wi-Fi network on OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your OPPO Reno 7 5G. Here in settings, go to Wi-Fi. Okay guys, here in Wi-Fi, go to 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen, okay? Tap this. And you can see the advanced setting. Tap the advanced settings. Here in advanced settings, you can see the save network. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this to show the save network on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, you can scroll down for more save network on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, to remove this, okay, you'll have to do, for my example, I remove the one network here, okay, the B310, the 6DC70, okay. You'll have to do is press and hold the save network. And after this, okay, you can see the check on the right side of this network. And you can see below the remove button. And okay guys, to remove this Wi-Fi network or save network to your OPPO Reno 7 5G, you'll have to do is tap the remove button below. And the pop-up will show, okay, now the selected network will be removed. Your phone will stop connecting to this network automatically. You may be asked to enter the password when connecting again, okay? So to remove, okay, you'll have to stop the remove one network. And that's it, okay? We have successfully removed the Wi-Fi network or save network on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, another option, okay, to remove all of this save network to your OPPO Reno 7 5G, you'll have to do is, okay, tap the 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen and tap the edit. And you can see the circle button on the right side of this save network. And okay, you'll have to do to select all and remove the all save network to your OPPO Reno 7 5G. You'll have to do is tap the circle on the top right of the screen. And you can see the check on right side of this all save network. And okay guys, below you can see the remove button. And okay guys, to remove all saved network to your OPPO Reno 7 5G, you'll have to do is tap the remove button. And the pop-up will show, okay, the selected network will be removed. Your phone will stop connecting to this network automatically. You may be asked to enter the password when connecting again, okay? You'll have to do is tap the remove button. And okay guys, that's it, okay? We have successfully removed all saved network on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.